Then we know about what is the place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Once again, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. The place of 2 is 10,000. So 2 into 10,000. 2 10 are 20 means 20,000. 20,000. Then what is the sum? Sum. What is the meaning of sum? Sum means plus. Means add these two numbers. Sum means add these two numbers. What are the numbers? 2 and 20,000. If we add 2 and 20,000 is equal to 20,000. 20,000. This is the answer. So I give you one question based on these topics on place value and face value. Write down the questions. Question number 1. What is the difference of place value and face value? Place value and face value of 7. Which digit? 7. Where 7? Where we found 7? In the numbers. In the numbers. Which numbers? 64 lakh 27,340. 64 lakh 27,340. What is the question? Question is, what is the difference of place value and face value of 7? Which digit? 7 digits. Where 64 lakh 27,340. So here what we find? The place value. Here one thing is different. What is the meaning of difference? First we know what is the meaning of difference. Difference means subtraction, and the subtraction means we subtract one from others. But in difference we subtract always bigger minus smaller. Subtraction is also smaller minus bigger. But if we ask about difference, so every time, always you do big minus small. You do big minus small. So to solve this question, we move on next topic. The next topic is word problem. Next topic is word problem. In this type of question, ask if you buy 2 rupees pen and if you have 50 rupees, then how many pens you buy? How many pens you can buy? So how you know? If you given less and ask about more. If you given less and ask about more, then you multiply. But if given more and ask the less amount, then you divide. And the sum how you, and the word problem based on sum, if you go to market and buy some sugar of 100 rupees, potatoes 20 rupees, tomatoes 30 rupees, 100 rupees sugar, 20 rupees potato and 30 rupees tomato. Then how much you spend? Then how much you spend? Then what? How much you spend? 100 plus 20 plus 30. 100 plus 20 is 120. 120 plus 30 is 150. Then how much you spend? You spend 150. And what is the, if you have 100 rupees, you have 100 rupees and you go to the market and buy 10 rupees pen, 62 rupees notebook, then how much money you have left? And what you will do? Find first the sum, how much we spend. We spend 10 and 62. Then how much we spend? 10 plus 62 is equal to 72. These 72 rupees you will give to the shopkeeper. You give to the shopkeeper. But how much you have left? You have 100 rupees. You buy pen, notebook. Pen, notebook of 10 rupees and 62 rupees. Means total the result is 72. 72 is spent. How much left? Total money minus how much you spend. You have the money. Means 100 minus 72. Money left. Money left. 100 minus 72. 100 minus 72 is equal to nothing but what? How much? 28 rupees you have left. If you have 100 rupees and you go to the market and you buy pen of 10 rupees, notebook of 60 rupees, then how much money you have left? Then what we will do? We will add this to how much we spend, subtract from how much money we have. We have 100 rupees and I spent 70 rupees and the money left is 28. You know what is the word problem on sum and the difference. Now this we have to know what is the word problem on multiplication. Word problem on multiplication. The first very easy. What is the product of? What is the product of? What is the product of 12 and 46? What is the product of 12 and 46? So, what is the meaning of product? As we study, sum means addition, difference means subtraction, but what? Big minus is small. Third one topic is multiplication. Multiplication we see here. What is the product? Product means multiply. Product means multiply. And what we multiply? 12 and 46 means the product of 12 and 46 is equal to 12 into 46. 12 into 46 means how we know? Product means multiply. Then we write 12 into 46. What is the result 12 into 46? Means in this year we have to learn the table. We have to learn the table. So how many tables we have? Basically, table of 12 into how many times? 6 times. How many times? 6 times. 12 into 6. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 3s are 36, 4s are 48, 5s are 60 and 6s are 72. How much? 72. On 72 what we write? Unit place. What we write? Unit place, and the tens place is carried out. Tens place is carried out. Then 12 into 4. 12 into 4. Earlier we read 12 fours are. How much? 12 fours are. 12 fours are 48. How much? 12 fours are 48. And how much carry here? 48 plus 7. 48 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is equal to 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Again carry 1. Then 4 1 5. 4 1 5 means the answer is 552. What is the product of 12 and 46? 542. This is the horizontal method of multiplication. One more way by the column method of multiplication. See here.